Hey there, YouTube. Just showing you how I got the KL27 using the bubble example working with OpenOCD. Just want to show that it does work. Here we go. So this is just the bubble example. I'll just show you a few little helpful things if you haven't used Eclipse a lot, where you can find things. So if you go to help and then install new software, this is where you will add I don't know what they call it, but essentially the repository or whatever for new MCUXpresso plugins. And so you'll add that here, and then down here you'll see the list of what you want to install, and you can go through the prompt. The debug configurations, they're just a little bug up there. You go debug configurations, and right here we've got OpenOCD debugging, got the new one here. It points towards the binary from the bubble demo. And then you've got the debugger settings here. Alright, so right here I'm just launching the config. And other than that, I just made sure my paths were valid. And different people might not like this style, they may want variables and stuff. But this works for me. So one of the limitations is it seems to only allow 2 breakpoints. So I'm going to debug. I've got there's just USB hub back there. I've got my setup here with the OMX debugger adapter and another adapter. And then over here you can see these jumpers. That jumper's removed. And then these 2 jumpers are removed to isolate the KL27. Anyway, so we're going to hit debug, and you'll see that it's going to make sure it's up to date. It's pushing everything down. And let's see where we're at. There we go. So now we're at the first breakpoint on main. Now I'm going to put breakpoint down here just when we hit the while loop. I can go ahead and insert it and run. And it, welcome to the bubble example, blah, 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 blah. Board's not doing anything. And if I let it run 1 loop each time, you get 1 little blink, right? So that, then you can, the breakpoints will remove and everything else. And just so you guys can see the bubble example running here. That's kind of what it looks like running through the debugger. So it's not as fast, but it does work great. So there you go. Anyway, there you go. Success story. Took longer than I would like to figure out how to use this debugger, but it seems powerful. And as I learn more about OpenOCD, I think we'll be able to use this thing for projects at home for a long time. All right, peace out, guys.